Hey guys, OnePlus has now itself come ahead and given out the launch date of its 2020 flagship phones. The OnePlus 8 series is launching on April 14th and you can watch the launch event in India at 8:30 p.m. via the live stream from OnePlus. The OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro are expected to launch at this event. All OnePlus is saying right now is the 120Hz display and the 5G connectivity, both of which have been previously shared by the company's CEO Pete Lau. OnePlus is focusing all on speed again, and the new tagline suggests it aims to be the fastest phone. OnePlus will rely on the Snapdragon 865 chipset, which is the fastest chipset one can find in an Android phone. Pete Lau, the CEO of OnePlus, has said that these phones will come with support for 5G out of the box. The Pro model is said to be upgraded to 120Hz refresh rate. A short teaser video has also been floated on Twitter and it seems to be confirming all the design leaks we saw earlier in the day. The alert slider, power button are present where they usually are on a OnePlus device. Moreover, the curved edges are also visible from the leaked teasers. Now let's take a quick look at the spec sheet. The OnePlus 8 Pro is expected to be an impressive upgrade over the current OnePlus 7T Pro. Like the standard OnePlus 8, it will be powered by a Snapdragon 865 chipset and comes with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage. The flagship phone will sport a larger 6.78-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. At the rear will be a quad camera setup with a 48-megapixel primary sensor. The leaked spec sheet also claims that the phone will have 4510 mAh battery with 30-watt wired and wireless charging, IP68 water resistance and a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The standard OnePlus 8 on the other hand will apparently feature a 6.55 inches Full HD Plus display panel with a 90Hz refresh rate and a hole punch cutout housing a 16-megapixel selfie camera. As confirmed by the company already, the flagship phone will be powered by a Snapdragon 865 chipset coupled with up to 12GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB UFS 3.0 storage. In the camera department, OnePlus 8 is tipped to have a triple camera setup on the back featuring a 48-megapixel primary sensor. As per Ishan Agarwal, the phone will have a 4300 mAh battery with Warp Charge 30T fast charging. Now if you want detailed spec sheet explanation about each mentioned smartphones, you can check out my dedicated videos on that. Link is in the cards. With that, we're at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press that bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.